Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal, and if you're new, hello, welcome. If you're into handbags as much as I am, then you're gonna love my channel. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when I upload. Now for today's video, I have a quick unboxing of the Tory Burch soft Fleming camera bag. Open this for a while since I had it for a week already, and it was time I did this unboxing. Now I picked mine up from Bloomingdale's, which they are having their friends and family sale at the moment, and it's June 21 and they are currently 30% off. Let's hope it's a brand new bag. Here's my receipt. I did pick it up while it was on sale, and I had an extra 20% off coupon, so I just ended up paying. So it came down to $238 with tax. I ended up paying $259, which I did end up paying less than that because I had a $50 gift card from my previous purchase. And this is what I'm talking about when it does not come with none of the tissue. I really hate it when it comes with no tissue on it. No, it's not wrapped, it's just thrown in there like you saw. So disappointing. Because either it was a return or a floor model. I can already see a little bit of scratching on here. I mean, it's a beautiful bag. Let me show you the exact model number. There you go. This handbag retails for $398, and it's the Tory Burch Fleming soft camera bag. And I picked it up in the black with the gold hardware. I mean, it's a beautiful camera bag. I already own a black camera bag with silver hardware from Tory Burch. I'm just a little bummed out how it arrived. Not impressed at all. Now, as far outside, it's lamb leather with a quilted design. I will say the rest of the bag feels pretty squishy up here. Right here is a little bit more firmer. You have a slip pocket here. It has no magnetic closure, but this right here feels pretty stiff. I love their embossed logo. Very beautiful. As far as the inside goes, you have one zipper pocket on one side and one slip pocket on the other side. Now, as far as your measurements go, this bag measures 7.97 inches in width, 5.98 inches in height, and it has a depth of 2.19 inches. So it's a pretty good size if you ask me for a camera bag. I'm sure more than just your essentials will definitely fit in this bag. It's a beautiful camera bag. The zipper feels pretty good. Not as buttery soft as I have felt others, but it's just fine. As far as the chain strap goes, now the weight of this one feels a lot more like my soft Fleming shoulder bag, the white one I unboxed. Now I see how the chains and the weight are very similar compared to my Kira one. The chain is a lot thicker as well. So let me just show you a side-by-side difference between this one and the Kira handbag. Now here is a size difference between the Tory Burch camera, soft Fleming camera bag, and the Tory Burch Kira bag. It's definitely a lot smaller, but as far as the width goes, it's a lot bigger. So here you can tell the big difference in width and the height. So that's size difference. And like I said, as far as the chain straps go, this is what I'm talking about. I prefer when it's thicker like that. I don't know, it just feels nicer than this thinner one. But of course, when it's thicker like that, it'll make it feel heavier. Either way, they're nice chain bags. They're nice chain straps. I love that it has chain, then they have leather. That's my favorite type of chain strap. And as far as the chain strap goes, it is adjustable. This one has one, two, three, four, 5 holes versus the Kira one. So the Kira has 7 holes to which you can adjust it, and this one has 5 holes to which you could adjust. And it has a 22.51 inch drop on this one. So I love that it's adjustable. So let me show you that. Let me show you my other one that I have with the silver hardware. The older version that I have of their camera bag, and this one is more of a chevron pattern, and I believe it's just a tad bit taller than the soft Fleming. But as far as everything goes, pretty similar. This one has the slip pocket on the back versus this one in the front. And another difference is also their chain. This one has it a lot thicker than than the newer version. And the old version had a tassel, and this one does not. Here I'm comparing it to the Coach camera bag, which the Coach camera bag is also a very good option because it holds a lot more than that one. And I believe it's a little bit cheaper than the Tory Burch one. So here's a quick size difference. You can see this one's a lot thicker than that. And they're about the same height. And while the Tory Burch has the slip pocket in the front, the Coach has it in the back. As far as first impressions, I mean, it's really cute. I'm a little disappointed the way it was just shipped to me. Like, you know, your girl likes to unwrap the tissue myself, make sure it's a brand new bag that nobody has touched. But unfortunately, it arrived already unwrapped. I love that it has a slip pocket, although it's a little stiff, but you know, it's fine with that. Let me see if my phone even fits. Oh God, no. Okay, yes, it fits. It was a little struggle getting it in there at first, but it fits. Now I have a 8+, so oh, see, it's a little struggle to get it in there, I'm not gonna lie. As far as the inside goes, it's very spacious. I mean, since I already own the camera bag I just showed you, I'm sure it's gonna hold about the same amount of stuff. But let's see if it's my phone. I have the Kira wallet, so that'll fit. I'll probably just set it up like that. So that'll fit in there. My keys. Although I usually won't carry the wallet and my key holder just because I carry my basic cards in here. So usually I'll just need this and I'll take out whatever other credit card I need that I might have in my wallet. But just for the sake of the video, I have that. Lotion. Hand sanitizer. some Tylenol. When it's pretty much more than, it's pretty much a good amount. I can still fit a lot more. Say you have some sunglasses, and that fits perfectly fine in there. Lipstick. See, so it holds a lot, and I still have a couple of more room, but I wouldn't overpack it, because then you're going to be struggling trying to get your things out if you need something from the bottom. So that fits pretty good. And actually, let's get the phone out. And the phone could just fit right. A little struggle here. There we go. See, and you have a little bit more extra room in there. So like as you can see, it holds a good amount. It holds a lot more than the Kira camera bag, that's for sure. I love the leather on it, the design, the quilting, anything quilting, I'm all for it. I love how they have their logo embossed. Beautiful, beautiful handbag that holds a good amount of stuff. And it is adjustable, and on the where you could adjust it, you could appreciate this little, the Tory Burch logo embossed on this little button right here, where you could easily adjust your bag at. And this also has an extra loop to keep it down, keep down the strap, which I love when they have that. So this is what it looks like crossbody, and it's on the third hole, so I could adjust it to be even more lower, which I probably will, but that fits me fine right on my hip, shoulder, and and I am also 5'2", so on the side, front. So that's what this looks like. Most likely I would be wearing crossbody and adjusting it even lower. Now remember, the sale ends June 21st, so pick it up now and subscribe to the email list so you could get a 15% off coupon and use it on top of the 30%. So it's a great camera bag if you're looking for one from Tory Burch. Take a look at the soft Fleming. It's a beautiful bag with the quilting and lamb leather, slip pocket in the front, zipper pocket in the inside, and a slip pocket. That's it for this video, guys. I know I've been on a kick lately with the Tory Burch handbags. It's been nothing but Tory Burch purchases, but I am enjoying their bags at the moment. They have a lot of new designs that I am loving, which I do plan on picking up maybe another one that I have my eye on. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you love handbags as much as I do, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload next. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You know, I'll always get back to you sooner rather than later. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye. So quick update, guys. After I inspected this bag a little more, I noticed this defect on the bag right here. The stitching is a little bit more pinched in rather than this other side is perfect. The stitching's perfectly done, but on the other side it is pinched in. I'm not sure if you could see that, but for me it's a go back. I am not about to pay over $200 for a bag that's not in perfect condition. Maybe I'm being a little too picky about it, but hey, I want a perfect bag. So this bag is very bad.